Last Sunday's quadruple homicide in Aurora has led to some questions about the effectiveness of protection orders when it comes to keeping survivors of domestic violence safe. Denver 7's Brandon Richards spoke with an expert about protection orders and why she says families must do more to stay safe.
Ubaldo Cadena describes the relationship one of his nieces had with 21-year-old Joseph Castorena as tense. He says not only did Castorena threaten his niece, but her family.
She said she was scared of him, that if she would call the cops or she would do anything, that he was going to kill him.
Court records show Cadena's niece and some of her immediate family members filed for protection orders against Castorena, including her sister Mariana and their dad Jesus. But before they could make their case to a judge for a permanent protection order, Mariana and Jesus would wind up dead, along with Mariana's husband Ken and a tenant who had been renting a room from Jesus. Police say Joseph Castorena shot and killed all four last Sunday. As police continue searching for the suspect they say is responsible for the tragedy, some people now questioning the effectiveness of protection orders. So we asked a domestic violence expert to weigh in.
Anytime there is a fatality, especially when there are multiple fatalities, it's a tragedy in the community.
Abby Hansen is with Safe House Denver, which provides resources to survivors of domestic violence. She understands why some people may doubt the effectiveness of protection orders after a tragedy, but she says they can be quite effective.
So clearly this is a tragic outcome, and it's really important to remember that for so many survivors, protection orders are working.
The research on the effectiveness of protection orders is limited. In 2010, the U.S. Justice Department released a report after tracking more than 200 women who had obtained protection orders for 6 months. They found protection orders were not violated for half the women in the study. Those who experienced a violation were significantly less likely to experience abuse or violence. And they concluded the vast majority felt the protective order was fairly or extremely effective.
For many survivors, we talk about orders of protection frequently as one part of a comprehensive safety plan.
Hansen says that safety plan should be tailored to the survivor and their families' lives. And as families mourn in Aurora, Hansen hopes some good can come out of the tragedy.
This is an incredibly difficult experience for our whole community. And if there's anything that we can take away from it, we want survivors to know that there is support available.
In Aurora, Brandon Richard, Denver 7.